Hi, honey. You tooted.
Mm-hmm. I have pimento cheese.
Man, that stinks. Feels like my nose is on fire.
Try a House.
Will it negate your toot?
Uh-huh. Only a House creates your own personal toot-negating odor cloud with special penetrating vapor action. No matter how rancid the toot, you'll be smelling roses in no time.
Oh man, instead of a toot, it smells like roses, thanks to these Hals.
Here comes another.
For penetrating toot relief, get Hal's Vapor Action. And new Hal's Ice Blue is clinically proven to negate even spaghetti toots.